The following portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Good Day Kansas. I am so excited to be here at Stutzman's in Pleasantview. It has been a while since I've been at this location, of course with Ben. Ben, thanks for having me today.
Thanks for being here. You know, throughout the season, we've been at different locations, and I love doing that to let people kind of see what we do away from Pleasantview. We're back at Pleasantview, kind of wrapping up the season, and I'd just like to take a moment here and just express our gratitude for a spring, summer, and fall season. And I think we put a lot of smiles on people's faces. I hope so. But just a real appreciation for people that really appreciate what we do, and are part of the whole gardening venture, the lifestyle of gardening. We talk about that a lot. But as we're wrapping up, I want to say thank you. And of course, segueing into Christmas here at Pleasantview is pretty awesome.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. It is kind of a bummer that they're starting to close down across the state, but this is a special place to be this time of year.
This is a very special place. And stay tuned because more on Christmas will be coming on. But we love it.
Yeah, and Ben, I know you talk a lot about the customers and what that means to you, but also the staff you have at these places. It's hard to beat.
And I can't say enough. I have absolutely an amazing team at every store. It's a camaraderie that they build with their staff and connection that they have with their customers. We've got amazing people. I'm so blessed. Yeah,
absolutely. I know that we're looking forward ahead to that already next year, but lots going on here at Pleasantview. Still some fall things out, and then poinsettias.
Poinsettias coming on as we get closer to Thanksgiving. This whole area where we're standing right now just totally takes on a whole different look with Christmas. We'll have multiple vignettes to do photography with your families, and of course evening events that we'll talk a lot about coming up.
Yes, we are so excited. Make sure you come check out the Pleasantview location here because you will not be disappointed. Ben, it was such a pleasure being with you this season. Thank you so much.
Love it, and thanks for what you do for us. And for more information, you can always go to Stutzmans.com or anytime to questions@stutzmans.com, and that puts you directly in touch with Jason French, who does our Stutzman's Home and Garden Show every Saturday morning.
Yeah, and we'll see him here on Good Day Kansas next week, but more of the show after the break.
If you would like your business highlighted on Good Day Kansas, contact us at gooddaykansas@ksn.com.
The preceding portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
As the days get shorter and the nights start to cool, it's still Stutzman season. Hi, this is Ben Miller. We're excited to see the fall season approaching and the chance to get the sweats out of the closet. Let us help you make the transition to the beauty of fall on your deck, patios, and porches with straw bales, miniature, funky, and traditional pumpkins. Stutzman's has awesome mums in assorted fall colors starting at $4.99. We love fall and invite you to the Stutzman's Garden Center nearest you. Find out more at Stutzmans.com or on Facebook.